So, give it a format. If we want to define virtual image, what we can say is that since the reflected rays do not actually meet at eye, so they only appear to do so, they do not actually meet, that is why the dotted line, they appear to be meeting at eye, so it is called a virtual image. So, a virtual image would be an image where the reflected rays seem to be meeting, remember this. Similarly, the lateral inversion would be the appearance of right side as left and left side as right. Let us write this also. The appearance of right side as left and vice versa in a mirror is called lateral inversion. You know, I will give you a trick for memorizing and learning things easily and keeping them registered. Once you have reached the final conclusion, don't just memorize orally, but write it in your notebook. Writing really reinforces your learning. Another interesting phenomenon is that if the rays are falling on an irregular surface, imagine a crumpled aluminum foil or anything which is not a smooth surface, then what happens is that the reflected rays are not parallel to each other. Now imagine if the surface is irregular like this, many rays are falling on it and they are also reflecting back, but because the surface is not regular, we will find that the rays are also not parallel to each other. This is called irregular refraction. But if the surface is smooth, like in the case of mirror, then the rays formed will be absolutely parallel to each other, like this. This is regular surface, and so the image is also regular. This is irregular surface, so image is diffused or irregular. Now, why this happened? Did the laws of reflection fail? No. The laws of reflection never fail, but it is the surface which was not regular, and that is why the image formed was also not regular. If it is a crumpled sheet, you will find that your image also looks distorted.